as the left side and the right side. Let's see solution to these questions. For the first one, what we're going to do for the A part, connect like terms. Arrange the number to one side, arrange the letter also to another side. Okay, we're going to bring this one, the letters, to one side. This is a plus what? Plus 7. And this one is what? Plus 3. So when plus 3 move to the other side, the minus will change. So that's what? Minus what? Minus 3x equal to. Already we have 11 and 9 here. So 11 plus 9, that's 20. Okay, this is a minus 12 to the other side. That's what? Plus 12. When you shift a negative over an equal sign, that minus will change to what? Will change to plus. So that's plus 12. So we now have 7 minus 4, that's a 4x equal to what? 32. 20 plus 12, 32. So this one over 4, this one over 4. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 8. And that's that with this question. The B part, we're going to do the same thing also. We're going to arrange the number in one side. We're going to arrange the letters in one side. So we have on the left side, we only have this one there. So that's minus 2.5 x. On the right side, we have this. That's a plus. When a number and the sign is not indicated, automatically it means positive. So move this one to the other side, and that will be minus 3.5x equal to, here I have 6.8. That's the only numbers I have here. Here, 2, I have this. That's plus 4. That will be minus 4. Move it to the other side, and then plus 4, plus 9.2. Okay, so that's what we have. So 2.5, 3.5. So when you are adding negative, you do it as if you are doing plus. So this is 0. And this is a 2 plus 3, that's a 5. And the one here, that's 6. Okay, you do it as you are adding, but minus will be negative. So you're having minus 6.0x equal to this one also 6.8 minus 4.0, 2.8. So 2.8 plus 9.2, so that's 10, that's 12. So we now have minus 6.0x equal to what? Equal to 12.0. So this one over what? Over minus 6.0. This one over what? Minus 6.0. So we have what? This we cancel. We have x equal to what? Minus what? Minus 2.0. And that is the answer for this question. Okay. At this point, please kindly smash the watermarks on the video and subscribe. Click on like button. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.